Alright guys, you know where I'm headed, right? I'm headed out to see if we have puppies. Oh, let's see. I came out and Amani went in. That might mean something, huh? That might mean something, huh? You have something in there? Oh my goodness, is something going on? Oh, is something going on? Let's see. Well, we don't have any puppies, but she threw up a couple times. So let me clean that up and false alarm. So that was kind of a rough start for a new video, huh? A puppy getting sick. But I wanted to point out that I actually use this Nature's Miracle. It's kind of a pet-safe disinfectant to clean up. So, and it actually has rubbing alcohol in it, and so I cleaned up that mess, and you know, her getting sick probably means she's pretty close, so maybe today, I don't know. Alright guys, since she didn't eat her food, I'm guessing it's a good sign. Not hungry. Gonna have some babies, I think, today. You don't want to go in there. You don't want to go in there. I know who will eat this food. This dog will eat anything, as much as you give it. Here you go. Yeah, here you go. Oh yeah. Alright guys, what do you think? Puppies or no puppies? I am going to check her out here. See what we have going on. Oh my goodness, huh? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Alright, let's go see. Let's go see. Oh, no puppies yet. No puppies yet. Alright guys, I think these puppies are coming right now. She is not looking good. She's not a happy camper. So what I'm going to do, I think she's going to push right now. Actually, you want to see my dog have a puppy? I think this is it. Poor puppy. Oh. Oh, poor puppy. What I want to do is actually spread out some paper towels so it's not so messy. Oh, poor puppy. Oh no. Alright. I kind of got her with paper towels around. Oh, I think she's going to have them. So that should clean her up a little bit. So, I don't know. I think that dog has been in hard labor for just too long. I think it's time for a vet visit. She's actually up now. So, I think it might be time to bring her to the vet. I was thinking I might have to get a cart to move her, but she's actually looking pretty good right now. So I think at this point, as soon as the vet opens up, I want to bring her in. She's having some hard times there. So Monty's been in labor really hard for quite a while. I stayed up most of the night with her, and after about 5 hours I knew she was in trouble. So we're playing phone tag with the vet. So as soon as I can get into the vet, we're going to bring her in and get her checked out. Hopefully she'll be okay. So I finally got hold of the vet, and he said this dog definitely needs a C-section. So we are off to 24-hour care. Probably have to do some surgery. Alright, girl, here we go. Here we go. At least she's looking a little perky. Yeah, you gonna be okay, huh? Alright guys, so we're back home from the emergency room. And the doc says the dog is okay. So apparently the labor she was in last night wasn't real labor. And they did an ultrasound. Looks like the puppies are okay. They took her temperature, and I guess it went from 102 down to 99, which means she's gonna have puppies today, they say. And so the total bill for an emergency room visit, ultrasound, temperature, taking our weight, doctor consultation, $120. Money well spent. Okay guys, well the doc says the dog's supposed to have the pups today, so I feel better that I had her checked out, because I was really worried yesterday. I was really freaked out. She's uncomfortable, but I'm confident that everything's okay. So now it's just wait for the puppies. Check this out, guys. I just came up and she was just outside. It almost actually fell in the dirt. Wow. That's the first puppy. Oh. It was born like 2 seconds before I turned the video on. Oh, careful, careful, careful. Careful, careful. Oh, look at the baby. The baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. She's definitely making a mess, huh? Yeah, look at the baby. Oh, the baby. Oh, yeah. You have a baby. All right. Yucca. Oh, yeah. Oh, careful, careful. Careful, careful. Yeah, look. We got a baby. Oh, yeah. Look, oh, yeah. Yeah, all right, lay down. Lay down. All right, I'm going to try to dry him off a little bit. Oh, careful, careful. Careful, careful. Oh, the first one. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy, huh? Yeah, look. And it's a boy. It's a boy. All right, all right. Yeah, let's see if she'll nurse, huh? Let's see if she'll nurse, huh? Oh, yeah, huh? Yeah, oh, my goodness. Oh, I know. You just wanna lick that baby. Yeah. I like to try to get him to nurse as soon as possible. Right out of the chute. There. Yeah. Look, we got one. We got one. Oh yeah, we got one. Alright, come on, we got one baby. Alright. Oh, Mama's so excited, huh? So excited. Yeah. So I actually saw a thing on colostrum, which is the mother's first milk, and she's going crazy, huh? You going crazy? Oh, it's good to eat all that. Oh my goodness, huh? Alright, come on. Oh boy. Oh yeah, wow, we got one. She was making a mess. Making a mess of things. Wow. I might have to go outside and look around, see if she dropped another one out there. So, woo! Got one baby. Oh my goodness, huh? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh boy, huh? Oh boy, huh? Yeah. Alright, here we go. It's hard to get them started. This one's taking to it pretty easy. Alright, good mama. Oh, careful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, look at the baby, all wet. Yeah. Alright, let's get her. Let's get her nursing. Him. Alright, here we go. So you actually want to get them nursing as fast as possible, because even minutes or an hour in it can change their whole immune system. Oh yeah. She's really excited. I'm just trying to be careful that she doesn't step on the poor little thing. Yeah, we got the first baby. Oh my goodness. That's one happy mama. Yeah. That's one happy mama. Whew. Uh-oh, careful. Careful. Don't chew on the baby. Hey. Careful. Hey. No. She's trying to get the umbilical cord. Wait. For a minute there, I thought she was going to eat that baby. Well, I think she's doing better now. So that one was born about 1 o'clock. So the vet said they shouldn't be born more than 2 hours apart. So one down, who knows how many to go. And this one's kind of catching on pretty quick, nursing good. Yeah. Alright. Mama's happy now. Yeah. Once you get some babies out, you'll be happy. Yeah. So I stepped out for 1 minute and She's up here chewing on the baby. But I got another roll of paper towel. I'm just gonna spread out some paper towels. This is gonna get messy in here. So check out this little guy. He's finally dried off, and what I'm doing here is trying to keep Amani from squashing that first little puppy. Every now and then she pushes. I think that other one's coming near the next one. However many she has. Who knows how many. So we'll see. So I'm basically trying to keep the puppy from getting squashed and trying to keep it nursing, but this one is kind of losing it and can't seem to find the spot. So so cute. Careful, careful, careful. Careful, careful, careful. I see another puppy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Come on. Oh, oh, don't squash it. Don't squash it. Come on. Come on. Careful, careful, careful. Careful, careful. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Come on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We have another puppy. We have another puppy. Alright, guys, here's the next puppy. Whew. Let's see what this one is, huh? I think it's another boy. Oh, more boys. Alright. So that one was born at 2:47 on Saturday. So 2:47, 3:47. So we should have another one by 4:47. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. And then there were two. Alright, so we have 2 puppies so far, and I actually brought out some newspaper because things are getting pretty messy. Some more paper towel, and brought some snacks and a drink, and I probably should have brought a chair. I guess I'm just going to kick back in the corner and kind of assist as we go. This girl is working on number 3. Yeah. Lonnie just went outside. Oh my goodness, huh? Just wanted a drink? Just wanted a drink? Whew. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Careful, 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 careful. So I just realized this one doesn't have a ridge for like the Ridgeback, and he was actually born first, and then this one with the ridge was born second, and I think the next one's about to come out. So it's interesting, when I brought Imani to the emergency room, they noticed this little growth on one of her nipples. They said to keep an eye on it, and the puppies have been nursing off that nipple, and they seem to be doing fine, so it doesn't seem to be affecting anything. There comes another one. Ooh. This one is actually in a sack. I like to break the sack. Oh, careful, careful, careful. Mama cleans them up. Yeah, if they stay in that sack too long, they can drown, so. Yeah, how's the puppy? Oh my goodness. How is she? Oh, yuck. Yeah, that's some dirty business there, huh? That's some dirty business there. Whew. Yeah. Oh. All right. Wow. Whew. It's interesting that Mama likes to eat the umbilical cord. I was kind of worried about that. Yeah. Whew. What a slimy dog. I want to get some. When they say bring the towels, they aren't kidding. Wow. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Well, she's distracted. Oh, actually, bring her over here. I've actually been using my knife and cutting that umbilical cord a little bit short. I probably should get a scissors. So, yeah, the thing, I had one actually, I had one dog last year. She had a problem with her umbilical cord, and I'm thinking it's from Mama pulling at him. So, I've never heard of anyone actually cutting the umbilical cord, but I think it would be a good idea, actually. Yeah, look at that baby. A third baby. Wow, look at all the babies. It's pretty incredible. I like to dry them off as fast as I can. Yeah. I get them nursing as fast as I can. It's funny, the last one nursed right away. Yeah. Some of these guys. Almost need a little, I need a little basket for the puppies. Yeah. Let's see if we can get this one nursing, huh? Yeah. See if we can get them nursing. Right away, right away. Yeah, look at that. It's just instinctual. Instantly, right away. Alright, I'm going to move these other ones over too. Just to kind of distract Mama. But yeah, it seems like you get them nursing within the first minute. That's probably the best. Look at that wet little puppy. Oh, Mama wants to get involved here too. And I try to keep her away a little bit. Oh, try to. Just so she can nurse. Mama wants to clean her up. Wow. So our third puppy that Amani's after here has black paws and a ridge, and it's a boy, another boy. I'm starting to think you're like a coral glow ball python, a male maker. Well, we are working on number 4. I don't know how many are in there. Well, she's gonna hide this one, huh? Are you gonna hide this one? Poor baby. I'm gonna try and get it when it's coming out. I need to move these puppies to a safe distance over here. Yeah. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to use this little blanket and make a little bed for them. Oh, what you got going on over here, girl? What's going on? Got something coming out? They're over there. You're okay. You're okay. Wait. Let's see what's going on over here. They're over here. They're right here. Yeah, I don't want her over here though. Come on. Come on. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Oh my goodness. That's so funny. That's really funny. Here comes the next one. Oh, yeah, and you're kind of sitting up, huh? Oh, where's the paper towels? Oof. That one didn't have the bag on it at all. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah. You always want to make sure they can breathe too. Yeah. Ooh. Alright. Yeah. Oh, poor baby. Oh, poor baby. What's wrong, baby? Yeah, what's wrong, baby? Alright. Alright. Woo. That is number 4. Yeah, huh? That is number 4. Oh, alright, Monty. Alright. She's like after that umbilical cord. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's see if we can get her to nurse right off the bat. Yeah, let's see. Come on. Oh yeah. Alright. Yeah, let's see. Alright, come on, Money. Careful. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Now that's some instinct there. Right off the bat. Then Money's just a little too carried away on that umbilical cord. Whew. Then I just like to hold her head away. Let her nurse a little bit. Yeah. So this one has white paws. Kind of half a ridge. Kind of goes to here, and then there's no ridge here. And another boy. 4 boys. Last year we had 7 puppies and 1 girl. Now we're getting some puppies. 4 puppies. Number 5 is on the way. She keeps pushing. I stocked up on some more newspaper and brought some water. Oh, things are really getting messy. Wow, she's getting a bunch of babies. She's having them pretty close together now. So I had one, I think there's one that's whining on the end. This last one that was born, I think I think he kind of got hurt a little bit because the way Amani was sitting. He's just a little whiner. Poor mama. Fifth one is kind of tough. Alright, here's number 5. Oh, I'm gonna put my paper towels. Yeah. Oh boy, huh? Yeah. See if we can get him up. Ooh, what a mess. Ooh. Yuck. Yuck, yuck. Yeah, that umbilical cord. I just need to cut it. Yeah. Oh, it's number 5. Whoa, 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 whoa. See what I mean? She like pulls it. I just need to cut it off. Oh my goodness, huh? Hey! She's like after that umbilical cord. And these puppies are escaping. Oh, we're getting so many, huh? Getting so many. Oh, yeah. Boy, huh? Wow. What a mess. All the babies are starting to cry. Ooh. Yeah, this one. I don't know. This one seems like it's more bloody than the other ones. Yuck, 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 yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. This is some pretty pretty messy stuff. Let's see if I can get this one to nurse right away here. Alright. Here we go. There we go. Yeah. Oh. He was nursing for a second. Oh my goodness, she's going crazy over this puppy. Yeah. So number 5 is nursing and drying them off. I didn't actually look if it was a male or a female yet. 5 puppies. Wow. Alright guys, so I think this might be it. 5 puppies. She hasn't tried to push since the last one. So we'll see if she stops at 5. Guess what guys? 5 puppies and she's still pushing. Looks like we might get 6. I think this is number 6 coming. Come on. It's not good when she sits up. It's better if she lays down. Check out the striping on this guy's head. That is wild. He's got a really cool pattern. She's so funny. So while we're waiting for the 6th puppy to come out, I have a pretty cool story. So, see this little scar on Amani's leg? She actually, a few years ago, she was running around and got caught up in some barbed wire. And she hit a major artery there, and I brought her back, put her in the little dog run here, and it was squirting blood all over. So I went inside and I got a whole roll of paper towels, and when I came back out, it was still just squirting like a fountain. And I pretty much wrapped that whole roll of paper towels around her leg, and the doc said if I wouldn't have done that, she's always getting in trouble with these puppies. She probably wouldn't have made it. So she's always after those umbilical cords. I don't think that's a good thing. I don't really know what to do about it. All right, guys. She just popped this one out. Wow. Number 6. Number 6. Where are those umbilical cords? Alright, let's see. I always want to make sure that the mouth is clear. That's the big thing, and the nose. So they can breathe. Breathe. Look at her after that umbilical cord. That's so weird. Oh, I had all these babies running away. Whew. Look at that, huh? Number 6. Whew. Welcome to the world. Yeah, wow. We're getting a lot of puppies. Wow. This new one, he latched right on over here. Molly's pretty much ignoring him. Yeah, huh? 6 puppies so far. That is a whole lot of puppies. You're not gonna believe it. She's pushing again. I think we're going for 7. Let's get ready for 7. She just barely pushed out her 6th. And she's going for another one. I don't even know if this one dried off yet. Whew. We are getting some puppies. Whew. I think number 7's on the way. Oh, there's number 7. Alright. Look, I don't even know number 6 dried off. Let's see. Over here. Oh, let's see. Come on. Don't squash him. Ooh. Wow. Yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Boy, how many puppies are in there? They're coming out so fast I can't even dry them off. Wow. Whew. So, I'm starting to run out of ooh, this one's not really breathing very good. Yeah, let's work on this one. Let's work on this one. You need to start breathing. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think he sucked in some fluid or something, which is not good. He's like, oh my goodness, he's like choking on it. Yeah, he's choking on it. Yeah. There we go. It's gonna hang him by the feet. Yeah, hang him by the feet. Whew. Oh, he's got some spunk. Wow. Things are getting crazy. Monty's helping me dry him off. Yeah, he's going after that umbilical cord though. Oh my goodness. Whew. Yeah, oh my goodness. How many is that? 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 7. Wow. Whew. I don't know what she's working on over there. So last year we had 7, so who knows, maybe this is it. These seem like smaller puppies compared to last year. So she may even have some more. We'll see. Ended up with 7 puppies so far. I don't know. I don't know if she's done or not. She might be done. That's a lot of puppies. That is a lot of puppies. She looks skinny now. Wow. She looks a lot skinnier, that's for sure. Whew. I think we're done, huh? 7 puppies. I think she's got her work cut out for her. 7 puppies. She hasn't pushed again, so I'm thinking she might be done at 7. That's probably a good number. Alright guys, so I just looked at which ones are boys and which ones are girls. You'll never believe it. We have 6 boys and 1 girl. Alright guys, so it's official. We have 7 puppies. And cleaned it up in here a little bit, so it's nice and toasty. I raised the temperature to 80. So thanks for watching. That was a crazy time with this dog, and major ups and downs. I'm glad everything went okay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.